This is the Lifepak CR2 Defibrillator. This one's got one of our defib tracker units on. It's a completely separate video about that, so I won't talk too much about that, but just in case you're wondering what's on the side of it. We always say in the office, this is the one defibrillator that if it was us lying on the floor having had a cardiac arrest, we'd want somebody to use a CR2 on us. It's the most advanced defibrillator on the market for what it's doing in the background, and yet from a user point of view, it's one of the most simple ones. From the front, when this one's all powered, this is just a demo unit, so it's not powered, but you get a flashing green light, so it's very easy to check what's going on. This one's in one of the carry cases. It can be connected to a Wi-Fi network as well, so if you're managing lots of defibrillators, you can kind of check them all very easily and make sure they're all rescue ready. Inside, you've got the simple adult-child mode, so you're not needing to change pads. You've got a language button and the power button, and then the basic shock button. Now, changing the pads on these, it looks a bit tricky because it all looks inbuilt, but under these two flaps at the bottom, there's two little spring clips, which when you squeeze, the pads just come out. They can then be replaced, and then to put them back in, it's just as simple as clip it in. If you were needing the defibrillator, this big red handle with the nice clear arrow, you just pull that. That opens it up and allows you access to the actual pads inside. So to change the battery on one of these, it's just as simple as going to the back of the device, opening it up if it's in one of the cases. It's just on a very simple spring clip. You can remove the battery, that can be disposed of. The really important thing with a CR2 though is when you put a new battery in, it does an awful lot of self-checks and setting up. If you open the lid while it's doing that, it can damage the defibrillator. So when you replace the battery, what we always tell to people is put the new battery in, close it up, turn it over, and then go make yourself a cup of tea, leave it alone, and when you come back you should see the pulsing green light in there, and then you can open it up and check it talks to you and it's all working okay. Check out our website for all your defib spares, and check out our other videos for how to maintain other makes and models of defibs.